So guys, today we will discuss about how to make 3D in artcam 2008 software by grayscale photo. I will click on create existing model and then I will select my file. After select my file, one on the bottom one interface will be showing on your screen, that is minimum Z and maximum Z. Minimum Z you have to give always 0 and maximum Z according to your depth, how much depth you want. I give there 5 mm and now I will, here is our file. I will click on first I will make zoom in and then I will go to the, I will click on 3D and I will check is it smooth or not. It's not smooth, so I will confirm the size first. For the depth I give there 5, so it should be 5 there, and then I will go this third option, smooth relief. I will make it smooth. Now is our relief is smooth. We can check, we can clarify. I have to make toolpath for the 3D. I will go to the toolpath and then there have a 3D toolpath option. I will click there and then I will have to select my bit, ball nose. I select my bit there and I have to give step down and step over. Then I have to give their material thickness. After this process I will apply. Now is our toolpath is created. I will make it now and then I will check simulation, how is it working. Simulation I will make little fast. Without wasting your time I will make it fast and I will stop it in the half. And then we will save our file to the USB and then we'll go to the machine and continue work.